Hi viewers, this is Thirmal, Commerce faculty from Hyderabad. Okay, today I am going to discuss another depreciation problem. Okay, see this problem. A company purchased a machinery on 1st January 2010 for 34,000 and paid installation 6,000 rupees. Okay, total cost of machinery is 34 plus 6, 40,000 rupees. Okay, on 1st October 2010 means same year. Okay, it purchased another machine for 20,000. Okay, another machine purchased in the same year and on 1st April 2011, this is the next year. Okay, it sold off the first machine. First machine means it is purchased on 1st January 2010. See this date, 1st January 2010. The first machine sold for 30,000 rupees. Okay, on the same date. Same date means on 1st April 2011. On the same date, it purchased a new machine. One machine sold and another machine purchased for 50,000. Okay, on 1st July 2012. This is the third year 2012. Okay, it purchased another machine for 20,000. On the same date, it sold the second machine. Second machine means it purchased on 1st October 2010. 1st October 2010. The second machine sold for 20,000. Next, depreciation is charged at 10% on original cost, and accounts are closed at 31st December every year. Means original cost method is given, means straight line method is given, and also calendar year is given, December 31st, end of the year. Means calendar year starts from January 1st to December 31st. Okay, prepare machinery account from 2010 to 2012. 2010 to 2012 means 3 years we have to prepare. See this first accounting years. The first year starts from 2010 January 1st to 2010 December 31st. First year starts from January 1st to December 31st, 2010. Okay. Second year starts from 2011 January 1st to 2011 December 31st. Okay. Third year starts from 2012 January 1st. Okay. 2012 December 31st. So for this 3 years we have to prepare machinery account. Okay. First see the problem. On 1st January 2010, see, on this date company purchased one machine. Okay. On 1st October 2010 it purchased another machine. In this first year 2 machines purchased. Okay. Next, on 1st April 2011. So this date comes under the second year. Okay, 1st April 2011, it sold off the first machine. See this, in the second year, the first machine sold. Okay, sold off first machine. Okay, and on the same date, it purchased a new machine. Okay, purchased machine. In the second year, one machine sold, another machine purchased. It's clear? Right. On 1st July 2012, on 1st July 2012, this date comes under the third year. Okay, 2012 July 1st, it comes under the third year. It purchased another machine. In the third year, purchased a machine. Okay, and on the same date it sold the second machine. Okay, in the third year also the company sold a second machine. Okay, sold second machine. Okay, it's clear. Depreciation is charged at 10% on original cost. Okay, it's clear. So we have to prepare machine account first. See the first transaction. A company purchased a machinery on 1st January 2010. At the time of purchasing the machinery comes into the business. So automatically machinery account is to be debited. So we have to write in the debit side first year 2010 January 1st to cash account. Machinery comes in, cash goes out. Okay, that's why cash account is credited. See this, what is the cost? 34,000. Okay, next paid installation charges, rupees of 6,000. What will happen? Installation charges will be added to the machinery. So automatically machinery value will increase. At the time of increasing the machine, again machine account is debited. So we have to write same cash account in the bracket installation. Okay, installation rupees 6,000. Next, on 1st October 2010, same year, it purchased another machine. Okay, it purchased another machine. So again machinery account is debited. So we have to write in the debit side October 1st 2010. Okay, to cash account in the bracket second machine. Okay, how much? 20,000. Right. So end of the first year, what is the end of the first year? 2010 December 30, December 31st. So what is the end of the year? 2010 December 31st. So we have to provide depreciation. At the time of providing the depreciation, machine value will decrease. Okay, at the time of decreasing the machine account is credited. So we have to write in the credit side, end of the year is 2010 December 31st by depreciation account. So in the first year we have two machines, so we have to provide depreciation for the two machines. See the first machine, 34 plus 6, 40,000 into, what is the rate is given? See this, 10%. So 10 by 100, 0 0 cancel, next 0 0 cancel, 4,000 rupees depreciation for the first machine. Next, for the second machine, what is the cost? 20,000 into 10 by 100, 0 0 cancel, next 0 0 cancel, 2,000 rupees depreciation for the year. But we utilized from October 1st to December 31st. How many months? October, November, December, just 3 months. So we require depreciation also 3 months. So 3 by 12. See this, 2,000 rupees depreciation for the 12 months, but we required only 3 months. How much? 500 rupees. Okay, total 4,500 rupees depreciation. Okay, next we have to total for both sides. Credit side is only 4,500, debit side is greater, 34 plus 6, 40, 40 plus 20, 60,000. So this is a greater value, that's why it is a total for both sides, 60, 60. Okay, next, see this, 60,000 minus 4,500, how much? 55,500, 55,500. So this is the end of the year, December 31st by balance carried down. Okay, this balance is forwarded to the next year. What is the next year? 2011 January 1st to balance brought down. How much? 55,500 rupees. So in the second year we sold a first machine and we purchased another machine, right? See this, for the first sold of first machine, so we have to consider this transaction first. Okay, see this, on 1st April 2011 it sold off the first machine, means this machine was sold, okay, for 30,000 rupees. Okay, so first we have to write, so at the time of purchasing the machine value will increase, but at the time of sale machine value will decrease. So at the time of decreasing the machine, so the machine account is credited, so we have to write in the credit side. So 2011 April 1st. April 1st by, okay, machine value will decrease but cash value will increase, means cash comes into the business. So that's why cash account is debited. See this cash account. How much cash comes into the business? See this 30,000 rupees. Okay. So in the second year we utilized that first machine from January 1st to April 1st, means January, February, March, only 3 months we utilized. Okay, for the 3 months we have to provide depreciation. See this by depreciation account 4,000 rupees we calculated for the year. Okay, but we required only 3 months, 3 by 12. See this 4,000 divided by 12 into 3, 1,000 rupees depreciation. Okay, that's it. So at the time of sale of machine, so we have to calculate, we have to find out whether it is a profit or loss. Okay, see this calculation of profit or loss. First, cost of asset, cost of machine. What is the cost? 40,000 rupees cost. Okay, less total depreciation. Okay, total depreciation. In the first year we provided 4,000 rupees, in the second year we provided 1,000 rupees. Total 5,000 rupees depreciation. So after deducting depreciation, the value is 35,000 rupees. Okay, this is the value on April 1st. Okay, we sold for 30,000. We sold at 30,000. What will happen? The sale value is less than the actual value. So automatically that is treated as loss. 5,000 rupees treated as loss. Okay, all expenses and losses will be debited in the profit and loss account. Means profit and loss account is debited. Okay, machinery account is credited. We are preparing machinery account. So machinery account credited. So we have to write in the credit side by profit and loss account in the bracket loss. Okay, how much? 5,000 rupees. Okay, it's clear. First machine sold at 30,000 rupees and we provided depreciation 1,000 rupees for the 3 months and we calculated loss 5,000 rupees, that is recorded in the credit side. Next, in the second year we purchased another machine. See this, on the same date, means 1st April, the same date it purchased a new machine for 50,000. So what will happen at the time of purchasing the machine? Machine account is debited. So we have to write in the debit side April 1st. Okay, April 1st to cash account in the bracket. This is the third machine. Okay, this is the third machine. How much? 50,000. Okay, so we provided depreciation only for the first machine. So one machine sold out, remaining 2 machines will continue in the business, that is the second machine and third machine. So we have to provide depreciation for the second machine as well as third machine. See this end of the second year. What is the end of the second year? 2011 December 31st by depreciation account. See this, for the second machine already we calculated 2,000 rupees depreciation, and for the third machine, what is the value? 50,000 into 10 by 100, 0 cancel, next 0 cancel, 5,000 rupees for the year. But in the second year we utilized from April 1st to December 31st. April 1st to December 31st means 9 months. So 9 by 12. See this, 5,000 divided by 12 into 9. That is a 3,750. 3,750 plus 2,000. 5750 rupees depreciation. Next, obviously debit side is greater. See this, 50 plus 55,500, 1,05,500. Okay, 1,05,500. So this is the total for both sides, 1,05,500. Okay, 1,05,500 minus 5,750. Next, minus 5 plus 6. Next, 36. See this, 36,000. 63,750 rupees balance. Okay, this is the by balance carried down December 31st. Okay, this balance is forwarded to the third year. What is the third year? See this, 2012 January 1st to balance brought down 63,750. Okay, so in the third year also we purchased one machine, we sold another machine. Okay, see this, on 1st July 2012, on 1st July 2012 it purchased another machine for 20,000. At the time of purchasing, machinery account is debited, so we have to write in the debit side first, July 1st. Okay, July 1st to cash account. How much? 20,000. In the third year, second machine sold. See this, on July 2012 it purchased another machine, that is already we recorded. On the same date, means on July 1st 2012 it sold the second machine. Okay, second machine means on 1st October 2010. Okay, for 20,000 rupees. Right, at the time of sale of machine, machinery account is credited, so we have to write in the credit side. So what is the date? 2012 July 1st. Right, machinery goes out but cash comes in, means cash account is debited. So cash account, how much? 20,000. Okay, next, so the second machine we utilized from January 1st to July 1st, means 6 months we utilized. So we have to provide depreciation for the 6 months. See this, by depreciation account. What is the depreciation for the second machine? 2,000 rupees for year. Okay, but we required 6 months, so 6 by 12 means half amount, that is 1,000. Okay, again at the time of sale of machine we have to calculate profit or loss. See this, this is the first machine calculation part. Next, for the second machine, so what is the cost of machine? Cost of machine is 20,000. See this, second machine 20,000. So we provided depreciation. See this, that has to be deducted. Total depreciation, cost of machine 20,000 less total depreciation. See this, in the first year we provided 500 plus in the second year we provided depreciation for the second machine 2,000. Okay, in the third year we provided depreciation 1,000 rupees. See this, 3,500 rupees. 20,000 minus 3,500. See this, 20,000 minus 3,500, 16,500 rupees. Okay, 16,500 rupees. So we sold, this is the value. Okay, this is the actual value on July 1st. Okay, we sold 20,000, means sale value is greater than the actual value. So what will happen? That remaining difference amount is treated as profit. See this, how much difference? 20,000 minus 16,500, 3,500 rupees profit. Okay, at the time of profit, the profit and loss account is credited, so the machinery account is debited. So we have to write in the debit side to profit and loss account, in the bracket profit. How much? 3,500 rupees. That's it. Okay, second machine closed. Okay, next, end of the third year. So end of the third year is 2012 December 31st. We have to provide depreciation account. So business organization having 4 machines. So out of 4 machine, the first machine sold and the second machine sold. Remaining third and fourth machine is in the business. Means third and fourth machine will continue in the business. Okay, for the third machine we have to provide the depreciation. How much? 5,000 rupees. Next, for the fourth machine, what is the fourth machine value? 20,000 into 10 by 100. 0 cancel, next 0 cancel. 2,000 rupees depreciation. But it is purchased on July 1st to December 31st. How many months? 6 months. So we have to take depreciation also 6 months. 6 by 12, so means 2,000 rupees for the year, but half year 1,000 rupees. 5,000 plus 1,000, 6,000 rupees depreciation. Okay, that's it. Next, we have to total for the debit side first. See this, 63,750 plus 20,000 plus 3,500, 87,250. Next, same 87,250 minus 27,000. Okay, 60,250. So this is the balance carried down. So this balance is forwarded to the fourth year. What is the fourth year? 2013 January 1st to balance brought down 60,250. Okay, we no need to provide depreciation for the fourth year because in the question they asked only from 2010 to 2012. We prepared machine account for the 3 years. Okay, that's it. Thank you.